Right, I'm checking the boom anchor points now. Hold on. Okay, given the soft ground, we'll need to adjust the winch angles for the heavy lift.
Action 1. Surface selection. The technician identifies specific sections for metal exposure. Focus.
Action 6. Edge detailing. Switches to smaller brush for corners, bolt edges, weld seams. Maintains precision, no overcutting.
Edge detailing. Switches to smaller brush for corners, bolt edges, and weld seams. Maintains precision, no overcutting.
Then gas a thin ditch florida. We need to compare the bare metal reference with this rust aesthetic.
Cool.
The visual character changes right here at the weld point.
Phase 2. Continuous grinding passes. Uses angle grinder with wire wheel across broader surfaces. Applies consistent, sweeping motion.
Phase 7. Detail refinement. Switches to smaller tools for bolt heads, weld seams, tight crevices. Maintains precision in complex areas.
Phase 8, heat and tool control. Periodic pauses to prevent overheating. Adjusts tool angle and speed. Maintains consistent surface quality.
Action 2. Uniform surface check. Inspects entire machine for missed corrosion spun even transitions.
Action 5. Detail completion. Finalizing the tight areas, focusing on the bolt heads, weld seams, and cable connection points.
Action 6, structural verification. Confirms no overgrinding damage. Ensures thickness and integrity preserved.
Action 2. Masking sensitive areas. Protects moving joints, cable mechanisms, and critical contact surfaces.
Primer setup. Prepares spray gun system. Ensures even pressure and flow. Positions for controlled application.
Action 5. Overlapping coverage. Moves in smooth horizontal passes. Overlaps each stroke for uniformity. Avoids buildup or dripping.
Action 6. Detail area application. Adjusts angle for corners, weld seams, and bolt clusters, maintaining precision without overspray. Action 10. First coat complete. Entire machine now has initial protective primer layer. No paint applied, primer only.
We're checking the first primer layer now, looking closely for any uneven areas or texture inconsistencies before we apply the second coat.
Action 2. Light sanding preparation. Uses fine abrasive pad or sandpaper. Begins
Action 3. Controlled sanding pass. Applies even pressure, moves in consistent strokes. Surface This, 10-4.
Action 5. Spray setup for second coat. Prepare spray gun again. Adjust for fine, even application.
Action 7. Full coverage blending. Blends all sections. Previously uneven areas now uniform. Surface becomes a consistent matte finish.
Action 8. Detail area refinement. Carefully spray the corners, bolt clusters, and weld seams. Ensure complete coverage.
The final inspection confirms the smoothness of the coating, ensuring complete coverage and consistent application across the entire machine. Looking at the structural lines and the uniformity of this primer coat, I believe the raw industrial look is the correct aesthetic choice for this piece.
Angle the work light lower. Let's check the reflection behavior on this section.
The matte finish looks good, but there's a slight inconsistency in depth right here.
Action 7. Detail focus pause. Stops at key areas. Cab panel, boom base, track housing. Studies form and surface.
Action 3. First color pass. Light coat. Applies thin initial coat. Primer begins to fade beneath color layer.
Action 4. Even spray technique. Smooth horizontal passes across large panels. Maintains consistent distance and speed.
Action 5. Covering. Overlapping coverage. Each pass overlaps previous layer. Builds uniform coverage gradually.
Action 9. Visual consistency check. Technician steps back, checks for thin spots, uneven tone, and touch-up passes applied.
Action 4. Detail observation. Focus on panel consistency, edge coverage, and smooth transitions.
Action 6. Surface perfection check confirms. No runs, no uneven spots, no visible defects.